You guys are supposed to go fast.
Okay, guys, come back. We're gonna get the race started.
Angela, put your arms around each other. Put your arms around each other, Angela.
Here, look, I have a better idea here. So you hold this.
We need it tighter.
I need it tighter. And then you hold around.
Too loose.
Okay, go back. Start it with the next, so whoever wins. Okay. No cheating. Okay, ready? Are we ready? Angelo, Chloe, are you ready? Bella, Marlo, are you ready? Ready, set, go. Good job. At least make it all the way. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. Now turn around. Turn around.
You guys should try and run. You gotta go fast.
At least they didn't fall.
Right?